celebrating 75 years of independence as Festival of Freedom.
Hi everyone, my name is Vaddi Anil Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my B.tech in mechanical. After that, I am searching for a job and decided to change my field into IT sector. Then I got to know about Evision through one of my friend. Evision is the one of the best online institute. I took a 3 months internship program in Evision. Then I got selected in FIDELIS Corp Private Limited with the salary of 2.70 lakhs per annum. In Evision, the trainers are very supportive and helpful. They help me grow my technical skills as well as communication skills. They give me real-time training. Join Evision, join job. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.